Hi, let me show you how to scan documents on iPhone and send to email. For that, we need to start by going in Notes app. Here we need to click on the icon to create new note and tap on this paper clip to choose Scan Documents from the list of other options. Or instead of this one, you can just press and hold app's icon on your home screen and also choose option Scan Documents. Then I highly recommend you to switch to manual here on top to be able to manually control the process. And now, if you want to, you can apply some filters such as grayscale, black and white, and photo, or just leave it at this default option. After that, all you have to do is to point the camera at the document to see it within this orange frame and tap camera shutter button. After that, you can adjust its size by dragging the corners. Also, you can choose to retake it or keep the scan. Then you can repeat the process if you have more than 2 pages, more than 1 page to scan. So just repeat it as many times as you need to and click the Save button to see the result. Now, to send it to email, you need to go ahead and click Share icon on the top. Then find your mail app in the list. And here enter email address to which you want to send this document. Great. Then you can also write down something as a short description. And whenever you're ready, tap this arrow to send this document. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.